The sight of wild horses galloping across expansive landscapes evokes a sense of awe and wonder, stirring the imagination with images of freedom and untamed beauty. Yet, beyond their graceful movements lies a world of communication as intricate as it is essential to their survival. Understanding the language of wild horses is not merely an academic pursuit but a crucial endeavor for anyone fascinated by these majestic creatures and committed to their conservation. In this article, we delve into the captivating realm of wild horse communication, exploring the nuances of their vocalizations, body language, and social interactions. By decoding the language of wild horses, we uncover the secrets of their social dynamics, mating rituals, and responses to environmental cues. Through a combination of scientific research, field observations, and historical insights, we gain a deeper appreciation for the richness and complexity of their communication, illuminating the remarkable bond between humans and wild horses across time and space. Vocalizations of wild horses. Wild horses communicate through a diverse repertoire of vocalizations, each serving a specific purpose within their social dynamics and daily interactions. Neighs, whinnies, and snorts are among the most common vocalizations observed in wild horse populations, with each sound carrying distinct meanings and contextual nuances. Neighs, characterized by their high-pitched and far-carrying tones, are often used by horses to communicate over long distances, signaling location, distress, or excitement. Whinnies, on the other hand, are softer and more melodic, typically used in close-range communication between individuals, such as mares calling to their foals or stallions courting potential mates. Snorts, characterized by short bursts of air expelled through the nostrils, are used to convey alarm, warning, or aggression, alerting other members of the herd to potential threats or disturbances in the environment. By understanding the subtle variations in wild horse vocalizations, researchers can decipher the intricate language of these magnificent creatures and gain insights into their social dynamics and behaviors. Body language and gestures. In addition to vocalizations, wild horses rely heavily on body language and gestures to convey messages and maintain social order within the herd. Through subtle shifts in posture, movements, and facial expressions, horses communicate a wealth of information about their intentions, emotions, and social status. For example, erect ears and forward-facing heads often indicate alertness and curiosity, while flattened ears and bared teeth signal aggression or submission. Tail movements also play a crucial role in communication, with a raised tail indicating excitement or dominance, while a tucked tail may signify fear or submission. Gestures such as nipping, kicking, and grooming are commonly observed in wild horse interactions, serving as important means of bonding, establishing hierarchy, and resolving conflicts within the herd. By interpreting these nonverbal cues, researchers can gain valuable insights into the intricate social dynamics of wild horse populations and the subtle nuances of their communication. Social dynamics and communication. Communication lies at the heart of wild horse social dynamics, shaping relationships, hierarchies, and group cohesion within the herd. Through vocalizations, body language, and gestures, horses establish and maintain social order, coordinate activities, and navigate complex interactions with other members of the group. One of the primary functions of communication within the herd is the establishment of hierarchy and dominance. Dominant individuals use a combination of vocalizations, posturing, and physical displays to assert their authority and maintain control over resources, such as food, water, and mates. Subordinate individuals, in turn, respond with submissive gestures and behaviors, acknowledging the dominance of higher-ranking members and maintaining social harmony within the group. Communication also plays a crucial role in mating rituals, courtship displays, and reproductive behaviors. Stallions use vocalizations and body language to attract potential mates, establish breeding rights, and defend territories, while mares signal receptivity and select mates based on genetic fitness, dominant status, and social compatibility. Through these intricate communication strategies, wild horses ensure the continuity of their species and the stability of their social groups in the wild. Environmental influences on communication. The communication strategies of wild horses are not only shaped by their social dynamics, but also influenced by environmental factors such as habitat, resources, and external stimuli. the availability of food, water, and shelter can significantly impact the frequency and intensity of communication within the herd, with individuals adjusting their vocalizations and behaviors in response to changing environmental conditions. For example, in areas with abundant resources, wild horses may engage in more relaxed and leisurely interactions, with vocalizations serving primarily as social cues and expressions of affiliation. Conversely, in times of scarcity or competition, communication may become more urgent and intense, with horses using vocalizations and body language to assert dominance, defend resources, or warn of potential threats. Environmental stresses such as extreme weather events, predation pressure, or human disturbances can also influence wild horse communication, triggering heightened alertness, defensive behaviors, or changes in social dynamics within the herd. By understanding the environmental influences on wild horse communication, researchers gain insights into the adaptive strategies and resilience of these iconic animals in the face of changing landscapes and ecological challenges. Human interactions and communication. Human interactions have a profound impact on wild horse communication, influencing both their behavior and social dynamics. Historically, wild horses and humans have shared complex relationships, ranging from reverence and cooperation to conflict and exploitation. In the past, indigenous cultures often revered wild horses for their strength, speed, and spiritual significance, incorporating them into art, folklore, and religious ceremonies. However, with the expansion of human civilization, wild horses faced increasing pressures from habitat loss, competition for resources, and efforts to control or eradicate them from certain areas. Today, wild horses continue to encounter human disturbances in the form of urbanization, agriculture, recreation, and management practices. These interactions can disrupt natural communication patterns, alter social dynamics, and create conflicts between wild horse populations and human communities. Understanding the effects of human interactions on wild horse communication is essential for informing conservation and management efforts aimed at preserving their natural behaviors and habitats. By minimizing disturbances and fostering coexistence between wild horses and humans, we can help ensure the continued resilience and survival of these iconic animals in the wild. Research insights and case studies. Research into wild horse communication offers valuable insights into their behavior, social structure, and adaptation strategies. Through observational studies, experimental research, and case analyses, scientists have uncovered fascinating aspects of wild horse communication dynamics. Case studies from various wild horse populations around the world provide unique perspectives on communication patterns and behaviors. Observations of herds in different habitats and environmental conditions offer insights into the factors influencing vocalizations, body language, and social interactions within the group. Experimental studies have also shed light on specific aspects of wild horse communication, such as the function of different vocalizations or the effects of environmental stimuli on behavior. By manipulating variables in controlled settings, researchers can test hypotheses and gain a deeper understanding of the underlying mechanisms driving communication in wild horse populations. Through a combination of field observations and experimental research, scientists continue to expand our knowledge of wild horse communication, offering valuable contributions to conservation and management efforts aimed at protecting these iconic animals and their natural habitats. Challenges and future directions. Despite the progress made in understanding wild horse communication, significant challenges remain in unraveling its complexities and applying this knowledge to conservation and management practices. One of the main challenges is the difficulty in studying wild horse behavior in their natural habitats, where factors such as terrain, weather, and human disturbances can hinder observation and data collection. Additionally, wild horse populations face increasing threats from habitat loss, fragmentation, and human encroachment, which can disrupt communication patterns and social dynamics within herds. Conservation efforts must therefore address these challenges while also considering the unique communication needs of wild horses and their importance for maintaining healthy populations. Moving forward, future research should focus on developing innovative methods for studying wild horse communication, such as remote sensing technologies and bioacoustic monitoring. By overcoming these challenges and advancing our understanding of wild horse communication, we can better inform conservation strategies and ensure the long-term survival of these iconic animals in the wild. In conclusion, the language of wild horses is a rich and complex tapestry woven from vocalizations, body language, and social interactions. Through communication, these magnificent creatures establish social bonds, coordinate activities, and navigate the challenges of life in the wild. Understanding their communication is not only essential for appreciating their natural behaviors, but also for informing conservation and management efforts aimed at protecting wild horse populations and their habitats. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of wild horse communication, we are presented with both challenges and opportunities. By overcoming obstacles such as human disturbances and habitat degradation, we can create environments where wild horses can thrive and express their natural behaviors freely. Through continued research, collaboration, and dedication to conservation, we can ensure a future where wild horses roam the landscapes, symbols of resilience and harmony in the natural world. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of wild animals and wild horse breeds, and much more. Check out this playlist of my videos of wild horse breeding, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.